Listen in. 5 minutes, lads, and you're off the table.
Right, lads, get on this side of the table now! Move! Come on, move your arse! Get in line now! Eyes down, arms up! Move! Come on!
What have you done?
You're all thoroughly a sack of shite, the lot of you! You cretinous crab, you piece of shit! Look at you! Arms up, sit down. Don't eyeball me! Keep them up! Hey, we done here, lads?
You're sitting in oil painting, that's for sure.
I was born on a Dublin street where the Lyle drums did beat. The loving English feet walked all over us. And every single night when me dad would come home tight, he'd invite the neighbours out with his chorus. Shuffle and dance, feel like that. Show you right how you feel it. Major run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killishandra. Come, let us hear you tell how you slandered great Parnell when you taught them well and truly persecuted.